Jangan cakap tak tahu marah nanti. We have here today a very special guest.
Hi.
Miss
Shehzhadee. Yes.
Yeah, Shehzadee. So what are the macam rules related to HBB?
Yeah.
Home-based businesses.
Yes.
Okay, so home-based businesses, you are allowed to operate from home, operate from your residence. But there's a home-based business scheme, and there are regulations which you need to abide by when you are running your HBB. So HBB is not just about selling food.
Yeah, exactly.
There are other things as well. So first of all, the person, it has to be at the residential address. Okay, and the person who's operating the business has to live there, or at least be a tenant who has the permission. Has to be an owner, a person who lives there.
Oh.
Okay, so for example, let's say I'm running a home-based business. I cannot get a staff from somewhere else and come in there, help me with my business, and then I pay the staff. Cannot, because it's home-based business. It's not a commercial business, you see. So there are regulations, and then like some other regulations would be that you cannot put up signages outside your home, advertisement of sort, like big bulky ones. You cannot obstruct the way outside. In short, it cannot be an inconvenience to your neighbors. Imagine if you are selling, I don't know, clothes or something, right? And then you have a flea market sale or something at your house. Then if everybody's queuing outside, I mean, you may potentially be in contravention of the sale. You have to make sure that they are aware of the regulations before they operate. So for example, like I said, it's not just home-based businesses, not just food. So you have things like you give tuition or ngaji or something, right?
Yeah.
For private tuition as well, you cannot have more than 3 students at any one time.
3?
Yeah, up to 3 at any one time. By right lah, okay? So those are the rules. You have to be aware lah of these things.
Yeah.
And, you know, if you operate in a way that it no longer becomes a home-based business, you should actually, the proper way is to get a proper commercial unit. You see, home-based businesses is meant to be for really small businesses. But once your business scales up, right, I think the correct way is to find the proper infrastructure for it as well, and not continue to operate from the same residential premises lah. For anyone who is looking to start out a business, whether or not home-based or on any scale lah, whether a commercial unit or something, just look into the regulations for it lah, because make sure that before you start something, you are very aware of the rules and regulations, because you don't want to start something halfway and then fall afoul of the law, you know.
Correct.
Oh, I want to ask. Actually, I got this vision. I want to bring all the HBBs together where they can bring their food, and then I invite people who would like to taste all this HBB punya food lah. Like you pay a minimum sum to test all this. Like it's sort of like a buffet, but it's not. Is that allowed if I were to do that?
Is it open to the public?
By RSVP lah.
I think kalau baju no issue, but food maybe.
I think
Yeah,
especially when
yes.
it comes to food, and I'll have to really look into what is being sold also, where is being prepared and all that. Yeah,
Where is a good place to get all this information? Like which government agencies?
you type HBB, home-based business regulations. So long as it relates to food, there will be regulations in it that you need to abide by lah. You cannot. So for example, like even a home-based business like selling food by right. If you're a home-based business, you cannot just anyhow sell to retailers like food establishments like that. Because if you sell to them, they are licensed, but you are not. You know, so they are selling and operating under the license, but the license covers their food, not your food.
Susah juga nak jadi HBB ni kalau makanan. Tahu orang Melayu kita pula pandai masak. Itulah specialty diorang. Kan? Orang pandai masak.
Just be aware lah. Just be aware, read up, and then make sure that, you know, if they are not sure, they can always write into the relevant agencies to inquire before they start on anything.
Yeah, we doing this topic not to dampen your spirit lah, but create awareness so you all find out before you all start anything.
What are the rules?
So at least you know. Kalau terjadi pun you know. Jangan cakap tak tahu marah nanti.
Okay, so that's for the HBB topic.
Okay.